Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly you need to open the web browser and go to the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Reddit and press enter in the keyboard. And the first source result will be Reddit. So you just have to click on that Reddit and the interface will be opened when you have logged in. So the things that you need to know on Reddit is you can post, you can comment, and you can create subreddits for your communities. So this is the post section. You can just go to the post section, and below the post section there will be an upvote and a downvote option. You can just click on the upvote or you can click on the downvote. And if you post and if you comment and if you get more upvote, then you will get a certain karma points. And in order to comment, you can just go to the comment box below the post that is shown right in front of you, and the comment box will be opened and you will be able to add comments. And in order to create a community, you can just look on the left hand side. There is a community section. Just click on the plus, create a community section, and here you can add or create a new community. And in order to create a post, you can just look at the top right side. There is a plus and a create text. Just click on that and a post section will be appear right in front of you. You can add the title, you can add the body, and you can customize it as you can see in the top bar of the body section. And you can also enter image or videos as well as links and polls, and you can just post. So this is how you can easily use Reddit. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.